Have you ever wished you could read someone's thoughts just by looking at them? Imagine being able to decode people's emotions, intentions, and even hidden fears, all through subtle psychological cues. Whether you want to improve your social skills, become a better communicator, or simply understand human behavior on a deeper level, psychology has some fascinating tricks that can help. Experts in psychology, body language, and human behavior use scientifically proven techniques to analyze and predict people's thoughts and actions. In this guide, you'll learn 10 powerful psychological tricks that will help you read anyone like an open book. Watch their eye movements. Eye movements reveal a lot about a person's thoughts and emotions. When someone looks up and to the right, they are likely visualizing something or imagining a scenario, whereas looking up and to the left indicates they are recalling a memory. Frequent blinking or avoiding eye contact can signal nervousness, discomfort, or even dishonesty. On the other hand, dilated pupils often indicate attraction or heightened interest. By carefully observing a person's eyes during a conversation, you can gain insight into what they are thinking and feeling, even if they are not verbally expressing it. Notice their micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are fleeting facial expressions that last less than a second but reveal a person's true emotions before they can consciously hide them. These involuntary movements can expose emotions like anger, sadness, disgust, or surprise, even when someone tries to mask their feelings. For example, a quick lip curl may indicate contempt, a brief frown might reveal disapproval, and a slight eyebrow raise can show skepticism. Since micro-expressions are nearly impossible to control, learning to recognize them allows you to detect someone's genuine emotions despite what they may be saying. Pay attention to their hand gestures. A person's hand movements often indicate their level of confidence, sincerity, or nervousness. Open palms suggest honesty and a willingness to communicate, while hiding hands in pockets may indicate anxiety or deception. Fidgeting or rubbing hands together can be a sign of nervous energy or impatience. Additionally, pointing or exaggerated hand movements might suggest someone is trying to assert dominance in a conversation. By paying close attention to these subtle gestures, you can determine whether someone is feeling at ease, defensive, or even dishonest. Analyze their tone of voice. The tone, pitch, and speed of a person's speech can reveal their emotional state and intentions. A high-pitched voice often indicates nervousness or excitement, while a slow and steady tone suggests confidence and self-assurance. Frequent pauses or hesitations may be a sign of uncertainty or dishonesty, whereas sudden shifts in vocal tone can indicate frustration or discomfort. By focusing not just on what someone says but how they say it, you can gain a deeper understanding of their emotions and underlying intentions. Observe their posture and body language. A person's posture can provide valuable clues about their level of confidence, engagement, or discomfort. Someone who sits or stands tall with their shoulders back usually exudes confidence, whereas slouching or hunching may indicate insecurity. Leaning forward often shows interest and attentiveness, while leaning away might suggest disinterest or skepticism. Crossed arms and legs can signal defensiveness or a closed-off attitude, while an open stance suggests approachability. By reading these body language cues, you can determine how someone feels in any given situation. Check their response to silence. Silence in a conversation can be uncomfortable for some people, and their response to it can reveal a lot about their emotions. Someone who rushes to fill the silence may feel nervous, insecure, or even guilty, while a confident person remains comfortable with moments of quiet. If a person avoids eye contact during silence, it could indicate discomfort, anxiety, or an attempt to hide something. Strategic use of silence can help you observe how someone reacts under pressure and whether they are being honest or withholding information. Mirror their behavior for connection. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior where people imitate the gestures, speech patterns, and posture of those they feel connected to. If you subtly match someone's body language, tone, or gestures, they are more likely to feel comfortable and build rapport with you. People tend to trust and feel at ease with those who mirror their behavior because it signals similarity and understanding. This technique is often used by skilled communicators, negotiators, and psychologists to create stronger connections and build trust in conversations. Pay attention to their feet position. While most people focus on facial expressions and hand gestures, feet can also reveal someone's true feelings. If a person's feet are pointed toward you, it generally indicates engagement and interest in the conversation. However, if their feet are angled away or pointing toward an exit, it could mean they are ready to leave or not fully invested in the interaction. Rapid foot tapping can be a sign of impatience, excitement, or nervousness. Since feet movements are often unconscious, they can provide more honest insights into a person's mindset. Test their reaction to small requests. A simple way to gauge someone's attitude and personality is by observing their response to small requests. If they willingly comply with minor favors, such as lending a pen or helping with a small task, they are likely cooperative and open. If they hesitate or refuse, they might be more reserved, cautious, or unwilling to engage. Interestingly, people who are overly eager to agree may have people-pleasing tendencies or seek approval. This psychological trick helps you assess someone's character and willingness to cooperate in different situations. Notice how they react to stress. A person's response to stressful situations reveals their emotional resilience and temperament. Some individuals become aggressive or irritable under pressure, while others withdraw or avoid confrontation. People who can remain calm and composed during stress demonstrate high emotional intelligence and self-control. Watching how someone handles conflict, deadlines, or unexpected challenges gives you insight into their problem-solving abilities and personality traits. Understanding stress responses can help you predict how a person may behave in high-pressure situations, making it easier to navigate personal and professional relationships.